Alright, this is Zach back giving you a review of the Speedjaw 6-inch low profile vise. I just got this through the Home Depot Seeds program. I just mounted the base onto my assembly table. Just needed to drill 5 1/4-inch holes through, because then I just used some bolts I had lying around. You just have to make sure that they fit in the countersunk holes in the base plate. Make sure that you zero the plate into your orientation on your table per the instructions. I don't think you really have to, but I followed there are the instructions. I actually did it. There is the vise. First impression is I think it's cast. Pretty smooth operation. The only thing I needed to put together was this gear with the handle, and then a little threaded screw here, and it has an Allen head on it that is included, so you can tighten it up. That was it. Everything else was together. Basically, it's upside down now. This is the base. Okay, so you unlock the base with this right here. Take that off, swing that out, and that's how I got the base plate out to mount it. So I'm going to flip it over and install it, and give you a little more my opinion on that. Alright, so there it is mounted. This basically, see if I can show you. So that slides open. You put it over your plate, close it up, put the latch on there. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed and hold the camera. Latch it up. Let me lock. Better lock my table. Alright, there we go. So, there it is mounted. As far as the finish, the paint looks good. It's a cool, like a medium red to darker red, black finish. I think it's a thin powder coat, because I can see some spots where they missed. There's some chips in it already. I don't have it locked 100%. Got to spin these down, I believe. I didn't get that far. And that should prevent it from spinning. Let's see. Sorry, I'm just learning this as I go. I haven't had any of their products before, but it seems pretty simple. Alright, for now it's locked in. So there it is. And it seems to be cool. I haven't used it enough to know if I like it or not. It's a ratcheting handle. So if I'm loosening it up by the handle in one way, there you go, ratchet. Now if you want to go the other way and close it up, you can do it like that. Or if I can do this with one hand, you can push this speed tab in right here. I can't do it with only one hand. Basically, you push that in, and it's a quick release, and you can slide it right out. Let me see if I can get this on here so we can see it work. Probably not. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. Give me one more second here, see if I got anything to prop this up. I don't think I do. Alright, I don't want to ruin the video doing dumb stuff. Anyway, I tried it. It worked. I thought it was pretty cool. As far as operation, it is extremely smooth. Again, there's a little slop in it right there. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, if you see that moving a little bit. I haven't clamped anything in it yet. Most likely, if I can, I'll probably, if you can see in there, right there, there's 4 screws. I'll probably remove those and, put a piece of wood, because primarily this is going to be used for woodworking. As we all know, you don't want to be clamping stuff with metal, because you're going to transfer all those marks onto your workpiece. But as for what it is, I think it's a pretty cool clamp. It's obviously easy to install. You could use it for metal, for wood, for pretty much anything. Like I said, the only minor adjustment is right here. I'm going to put wood there, but I think it's a decent product. I didn't look up what the price was, but I think it's fairly affordable, and I would recommend it if you want a simple little vise. It's, you know, nothing I would say professional grade or heavy duty per se, but I think it definitely will help. I know it's going to help me in my little workshop down here. Some of my stuff is around. Let's see what I got. Just a home woodworker. There's another. I actually just tested out this brand new Wen plunge router. Actually works fairly good. So if you want to look that up, I actually put up a review on that the other day. All right. Thanks a lot, and have a good night.